Select Workflow from side menu. Click Add Workflow icon, then type your workflow name. For preventive maintenance you should select Add Schedule Template. Click Skip and select Create New Template. Let's create a simple and quick template. To know how to create a template, refer our Cryotos tutorials. And here you can see the workflow we created for our preventive maintenance. Now let's select Preventive Maintenance from side menu. Then click Add Preventive Maintenance icon, then type your preventive maintenance name. And choose your workflow. Select your customer name. Then select your asset. Then choose your date range for your preventive. Click Type and choose the type you needed. For example, let's choose type as monthly. You can edit duration as per your priority. Also you can edit your preventive, you can edit your type date, and start time. Let's select start time as 2 AM, then click Save. Select your user or user group to assign, then type your work instruction, then select priority for your work, and click Save. In the calendar page you can see your preventive maintenance according to your type and date. Let's change the preventive type to daily. And click Save, and you can see your preventive maintenance on daily basis on the calendar. Let's choose date range of preventive between a year. And choose type to half yearly, and click Save. To view your preventive maintenance, go to half year from the day you selected, and here you can view your preventive maintenance here according to your type. Now click Preventive Maintenance, select PM List, and search your preventive maintenance. To edit your preventive schedule, select Schedule. And select the preventive you needed. You can update and delete your preventive. Let's choose Update, and now you can update your preventive and see your changes in the calendar.